Shifting focus to Chennai, it continues to struggle after cyclone Varda with power and telephone lines down in parts of the city. Chennai Corporation is battling to clear roads which have been strewn by huge trees that were uprooted by the cyclone. Power shortage continues in Chennai because several transformers and electric poles suffered damage in the heavy rains. Telephone and mobile connectivity hasn't been restored completely. Akshana joining us live now, and perhaps the biggest fallout has been that because of lack of power, there is also a severe cash crunch now in wake of demonetization. How are the people there coping, Akshaya, and what is being done to make things better?
Well, Padmaja, it's a very, very difficult situation here. Unlike what we saw in the end of November, now we can see long queues outside ATMs and banks. And in most of the ATMs, there are no money. And in very few of them where there are money, you can see long queues. And because of the power shortage, many ATMs are not working as well. So the people are actually facing the brunt now. They haven't had a problematic situation till now because Chennai was more digital friendly and they were using Paytm and other online services, free recharge and others. But now because there's no internet, there's no mobile connectivity, networks have gone down, servers have gone down, people are having a huge issue now. This is the point when demonetization has actually hit. Cyclone Varda has brought down a huge impact on the people of Tamil Nadu, and it's not just about demonetization, Padmaja. It needs to be seen that thousands of trees have been uprooted all across the city, and in many parts, though there are a few people from the government coming and the corporation workers coming and removing the tree, most of the places we see that it is the public themselves who are coming and doing all the clearing work. So it is actually a reflection of what we saw in December 2015, where the public came to the forefront and did all the work, and even now we see a similar scenario, and the kind of loss that has been witnessed is also really huge. Though last year because of the floods and the waterlogging, it was evident for people. This time because it's just trees that have fallen down, many of them are not able to really understand the intensity of the property loss that has come down here, and it is a very tough situation. Chennai is very slowly limping back to normalcy, but it will take time, Padmaja.
All right, thanks very much, Akshaya, for joining us. In fact, stay with me for a while.